Okay, now let's see this question. This question came in GATE 2013 for 2 marks. The question is, consider the following function, and this function name is unknown, and it has a loop. In fact, it has a nested loop, and they are saying about the return value of the function is what? The return value of the function is basically k, and they have initialized k with 0, and they are summing, adding up n by 2 every time. So basically the end value of k is going to be how many times this loop, this nested loop is going to be executed at this place multiplied by n by 2, because initially it was 0. Now when one time it is, this line is executed, then n by 2 is added. Next time it is executed, again n by 2 is added. So if this line is executed, let's say x times, then the value of k is going to be n by 2 into x. Okay, so we have to see that what is the final value. So we have to find the value of x, which means we have to find how many times this line is executed, which means that we have to find how many times this first for loop is executed and how many times the nested for loop is executed, and we will simply multiply that. Now see here, the first for loop, the outer for loop, is going to be executed. See, it is from n by 2 to n. So basically it is executed sort of n times. Okay, so it is basically, you can say theta n times also, but you can, to be precise, you can say n by 2 times. Okay, now here you can see that it starts with 2, every time it is double. So okay, next iteration it becomes 4, then it becomes 8, and then 16. So basically it goes till like 2, then 2 square, then 2 cube. So basically it is going to, let's 2 raised to power I. Okay, and it stops when it is n, it is n. So overall you can see the value of I is going to be log n base 2. So this second loop is basically executed log n times. So first one is executed n by 2 times, second one is executed log n times. So overall this value of x is basically, x is equal to, what I am saying, it is n by 2 times log n. Okay, and overall value of k at the end is going to be n by 2 times that. So n by 2 times, how many times the statement is executed? N by 2 times log n. And they have given the value in terms of theta. So you can say that it is theta n square log n. Okay, so we can understand that the return value is theta n square log n. So theta n square log n is B. So B is the answer.